Hi, I'm Dr. David Creech. I'm a plastic surgeon in the East Valley area. My office is in Chandler by the Chandler Regional Hospital.
I had a very easy surgery and the healing was good. Everything just worked out very, very nice. I since have had lots of people go to him as well and have all had the exact same experience.
I'm board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. Now what that means to you, the patient, is that it's a certification that I've had extensive training by plastic surgeons that have specialized in multiple areas of restoring the body or recreating the structures of the body.
I was looking at credentials. I was looking at maybe word of mouth, maybe some reviews, maybe seeing some surgeries. And that is really why I ended up choosing Dr. Creech, is because he has the most wonderful reputation. I've seen lots of different work. People actually in person I've seen, and it was so consistent with such good work, regardless of what the surgery was. And so that's really why I chose, and I think a lot of people out there are looking for the same thing when they're trying to pick out a doctor.
Cosmetic surgery, generally speaking, is very safe. There's very few complications that occur, but the ones that do can easily be corrected. The training that your surgeon has helps to maximize the effectiveness of the operation and diminish the risk of complications.
The reason I even was considering or doing the surgery is because I had just had a baby, and I felt like it was just time afterwards that I needed to do something with myself, in which I think a lot of moms out there can relate with me and understand what I'm talking about. And so I waited about 9 months after I had her, and then I got the surgery, and I think now I've never felt better about myself ever. And so I would definitely recommend it. Just as important as the doctor himself, the staff, the group that you're dealing with, the receptionist down to the office manager, down to everybody in this specific office has been phenomenal. Everybody was so easy to talk to. If I had to leave a message, they called me back right away. It wasn't the next day or the next day or the next day. It was right away. Everybody got down to answering my question, because you have a lot of questions and concerns when you're choosing a plastic surgeon. It's a surgery. So they were all so helpful and so understanding and made me feel just extremely comfortable.
Being in practice since 1988 and the very extensive and large experience I've had both as the surgeon and also in the learning process, I have a very high and large population of patients. Many of them have returned, and many of them refer friends and family. I think those things are in itself a testimony as to the satisfaction my patients have had with my performance in performing their surgery.
In addition to all of the great services and surgeries that Dr. Creech offers, he as well has injectables, he has laser, he has product line, he has a wonderful staff that's also putting it along with you, alongside with him. And so there's a lot more that Dr. Creech offers than just plastic surgery. If you are looking for a plastic surgeon, and it's come down to maybe 5 different ones, one of the top reasons I would choose Dr. Creech outside of all of his credentials would be how comfortable he makes you feel. It's almost as though you've known him forever.
When you're looking for a surgeon to see what his certifications are, perhaps you might even check up his credentials by the American Board of Plastic Surgery or Arizona Medical Board. The Arizona Medical Board does list where they got their training, what degree they have, MD or DO, as well as what their board certification is. I think that with the training that we as plastic surgeons have had, it allows you to have more certainty that you're getting a highly qualified surgeon to perform your plastic and cosmetic surgery.
So as you're going through all your research and as you're doing everything you need to do yourself a favor and come in. Actually, do me a favor and come in and see Dr. Creech, because I promise you will not regret it.